In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a PowerPoint as a zip file. This process is quite straightforward and can be incredibly useful if you're looking to compress your presentation for easy sharing or storage. Let's dive right in. First, start by locating the PowerPoint file on your computer. This is typically a file with the extension .pptx, so make sure you have the right one in front of you. Navigate through your folders to where you've saved the PowerPoint presentation that you wish to convert into a zip file. This step sets the foundation for everything else, so take your time to ensure you have the correct file. Once you've found your PowerPoint file, you're going to need to right-click on it. This might seem like a small action, but it's the key that unlocks a menu of additional options you can perform on your file. When you right-click, pay attention to the context menu that appears. This menu varies depending on your operating system, but the next step is virtually identical across platforms. From this context menu, hover over the option labeled Send To. Doing this will reveal a sub-menu. In this sub-menu, you want to look for and select the option that says Compressed Zipped Folder. When you select this, what you're actually doing is instructing your computer to compress your PowerPoint file into a smaller, more manageable archive. This helps not only in conserving space, but also makes the file easier to send over email or store in a cloud service. After choosing Compressed Zipped Folder, your computer automatically creates a zip archive. You'll notice a new file appears in the same location as your original PowerPoint file. This new file will have the same name as your presentation, but it will now have a .zip extension. This signifies that your file is now a compressed archive, ready for sharing or storage. Finally, with your new zip file ready to go, you have a couple of options depending on your needs. If your goal was to share the presentation with others, you can now attach this zip file to an email or use a file transfer service to send it. Alternatively, if you're looking to store the file, you can move it to a folder designated for long-term storage, or perhaps upload it to a cloud service for backup purposes. Zipping files helps ensure that your presentations remain recognizable and accessible while minimizing the storage space required. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully converted your PowerPoint presentation into a zip file. Whether you're managing your storage more efficiently or preparing to send files over the internet, this method offers a practical solution to your needs. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks.